Hindi na magiging kagaya ng dati kung anong mayroon tayo. Kaya yung pangalawang pagkakataon na yun, ibibigay ko sa sarili ko na lang at magiging aral na dapat sa sarili ko muna ang mamahalin ko. Dahil kahit mahalin mo ng isang eh. You're comfortable to read this story. OMG, you're really crying. I feel you're sobbing. It's real. If you are not comfortable, it's okay. Don't get emotion, please. but, but, but my voice now, it's not okay. I have something here. I have a runny nose. Now you see. You know, when I make I have something, I'm happiness for happy for my content. I want alone. You know why? It's just always outside from my body to sadness. Kuya Adi. But I invite everyone to join my primer on Monday at 7:15 in the Philippines, 3:30 in the UAE, at 3:15 in the UAE, and the 7:15 in the Philippines. Please join my primer, okay? OMG, great! It's a real nice your voice of sobbing in the first emotion. Ariel, you are the great, and thanks for accept request. Great salute for you. Thank you and lot. Thank you. You are a great vocals artist. This one, Kuya Adi. At the time when I accident my habibi, I saved the baby. That's why my hands and my this one I have. Okay, I will join on Monday. Thank you, Anel. But I have na here. I post na in my YouTube. Just only for the framer only. Don't worry, Anel. The next time I just put only more emotion. Now, but on Tuesday I have primer again. But I'm not put in the YouTube pa. This is about hungry. Hungry. The attitude of the people. This is the content. But I don't know how to put the translation to English. Just only Tagalog I will try on my YouTube. I put the language of English. But I will see is only for the Filipino, Tagalog. No, I have editing na here, but I'm not put in my pa. Yeah, you see this one. You heard that? Na wala silang iniisip kung sila ay makakasakit. Thank you, your smile. Sino ka? Sino ka para husgahan mo? Sino ka para gawin makumpulutan sa inyong umpukan? Maraming ganitong nilikha ng Diyos na wala silang iniisip kung sila ay makakasakit ng iba. Di nila iniisip na akala nila ay okay lang. Okay lang na husgahan mo ang ibang tao. Okay lang gawin mong pulutan sa isang umpukan. Dahil hindi nila nilalaman. It's just a little listening. Thank you, Kuya Adi. But I will go in the kitchen. I will get my mobile, okay? Because I wash all plates in the kitchen now. I want early finish my work because I'm tired today. I have more iron and wash. Now I clean in the kitchen.